How to cancel TikTok live subscription. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through quick steps on how you can turn off the live subscription option on your profile. Now, if you open a profile here, if you open up TikTok and on your profile, if you have this subscription option, which can be quite a bit annoying as you don't want any subscription option on your profile, or you want to turn it off and you don't know how to, then let me guide it through quick. I was quite a bit annoyed as well, so I looked it up and found the solution, so I'm here to share with you guys. Now simply here on your profile, head over to TikTok and head over to your profile. Here now you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen and you'll find the TikTok Studio option. If you don't find the option here, you can head into settings and privacy and find the option here. Either ways, if you have the studio option, simply head into TikTok Studio option. Once you're on TikTok Studio, you'll find the monetization option and under it you can see the subscription option. You want to simply go ahead and select or tap on subscriptions. Under subscription, you'll be on the subscription page. Now if you look in here for the options, you won't find any option to leave the subscription. However, there is a trick. You want to tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, down below a pop-up will appear and you can see it says leave subscription. Tap on leave subscription and your subscription will be turned off and it will be removed from your profile as well. So this is how you can easily cancel TikTok subscription on your profile. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave comments as well.